Hi, Mace. Good to have you here. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you opened an old page on your site and thought, is this worth the work? Picture a page with steady impressions but zero signups, or a how-to you wrote 2 years ago that never got a conversion. Do you fix it, repurpose it, or pull the value and move on? Here's the thing. Most of us respond with anxiety and busy work. We spin up new drafts, rewrite headlines, chase SEO quick wins that don't move the needle. Sound familiar? Today, I'm going to give you a crisp, repeatable triage you can run in a weekend. Stick with me and you'll walk away with 3 diagnostic questions you can answer in 5 minutes, 3 minimal playbooks to act on immediately, and 2 72-hour experiments that prove whether your choice is working. Last April, I found a 10-month-old tutorial pulling 800 impressions a month with 0 opt-ins. One small change turned that into predictable income. Why this matters. Every hour you spend guessing is an hour lost for the right work. Builders fall into 3 common traps: analysis paralysis, busy work that looks like progress, and backing a wrong page. Those mistakes cost months of momentum. So start by measuring 3 simple things that reveal the truth about any page: traffic trend, intent split, and revenue leakage. Answer those and the decision gets obvious. Start with, what's the traffic trend? Quick check. 90 days versus 365 days. Is it growing, flat, or declining? I once ignored a page that looked tiny for months. Turned out it was a slow burn winner after a single structural fix. So don't delete just because traffic is low. Next up, intent split. Who is on the page? Are they there to learn, to compare, or to buy? You can infer this from top queries, the on-page copy, and the SERP features showing for that query. If intent is mostly informational, shoving a product at people will fail, but a small lead magnet or micro offer can convert that intent into predictable income. Finally, revenue leakage. Where are visitors exiting with no next step? No opt-in, no clear CTA, confusing buy flow. Those are leakage points. Sometimes plugging one leak is worth the whole project. How to score a page? Fast. Give each metric a 0 to 5 score. Weight traffic 40%, intent 40%, leakage 20%. 3 short sentences. Score each metric. Multiply by weight. Add them up. Score above 3.5. Invest. 2 to 3.5. Run a small test. Below 2. Extract value or move on. Okay, once you have a score, pick one of 3 minimal playbooks: repair, repurpose, or extract. Each one is low effort and high leverage if you match it to the score and intent. Repair is the quick technical and content fix. 90 minutes of work. Check canonical, index status, core web vitals flags. Tidy the title and meta, clarify the H1, and add an internal link to a money page. 1 clear CTA. Small changes, often big returns. Repurpose turns the content into a productized asset, a micro offer, a short email course, or a gated checklist. Create a 1-page lead magnet, add a prominent CTA above the fold, and route traffic into a 2-email sequence that delivers value and a small paid upsell. Fast to build, fast to measure. Extract when the page has niche traffic but low strategic value. Slip in affiliate links, sell the asset as a template, or add a tiny paywall for downloads. Extraction prioritizes minimal effort and predictable returns. 1-hour updates that can pay for themselves in days. Don't commit without testing. 2 72-hour experiments will tell you what you need to know. Experiment A, for repair or repurpose. Push a modest bump of traffic, say 100 to 300 visits via your newsletter or an internal link boost. Track center on the new CTA, email signups, and micro conversion rate. Success threshold, 1% uplift in center or 20 new leads from modest traffic. Experiment B for extract. Implement the affiliate or paywall and A/B test a CTA or price point. Send the same modest traffic and measure revenue per visitor. Success is simple. Positive revenue per visitor within 72 hours. If you don't break even, kill it and move the time elsewhere. 2 short examples to make this concrete. Case 1. An old listicle with steady impressions but 0 opt-ins. I scored it. Traffic 4, intent 2, leakage 4, total 3.3, action, repurpose with a lead magnet and a top CTA. Result in 72 hours, 150 visitors, 28 signups, 18% center on the CTA. Not flashy, but reliable leads every week. Case 2, a niche tutorial. Low traffic but strong purchase intent. Score, traffic 2.5, intent 3, leakage 1. Action. Extract. Add 2 contextual affiliate links and a resources section. 72 hours later, 3 purchases, about $120 in affiliate revenue. Small work, clear return. A few guardrails before you scale. Run a quick technical checklist first. Indexing, canonical, mobile friendliness, and core web vitals. If any of those are red, escalate after the small test. And always define measurable success criteria for your 72-hour tests. Center, signups, revenue per visitor. Treat results as directional, not definitive. To recap, 3 quick questions, a fast score, then pick repair, repurpose, or extract. Run one of the 2 72-hour experiments. If it works, scale. If it doesn't, reallocate the time. Think of your site like a portfolio. Small bets, quick learning, compound wins. Here's one practical thing to do right now. Open your analytics, list the 10 pages with the highest impressions but lowest conversions, and run the 5-minute score on each. Prioritize 3 pages and pick 1 playbook to test this weekend. Check this out. You'll learn more from 2 focused 72-hour tests than a month of vague improvements. If this episode helps, subscribe so future episodes land in your feed. I put out practical systems like this because the compounding wins come from steady, small decisions. Well, that's enough to think about for today. Appreciate you spending a few minutes with me. I'll catch you in the next one.